Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to get a bank loan via PayPal. You must have a PayPal Premier or business account with at least 90 days of account history, and you should have $15,000 in PayPal sales. Go to PayPal Working Capital website or log into your PayPal business account. Navigate to the Working Capital section. You can apply for a loan of $1,000 or $200,000. PayPal will display an amount you're eligible for based on your sales history. Complete the application process to receive approval. In most cases, you'll get a decision within minutes. Once approved, PayPal will deposit the loan amount directly into your PayPal account. You can use the funds immediately. PayPal automatically deducts the loan repayment based on the percentage of your sales. There is no need to make separate payments. It is deducted automatically from your incoming PayPal sales until the loan is fully repaid. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.